Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use find and replace in Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and press Ctrl+H to open the find and replace panel, or press Ctrl+F to quickly find text only. Next, type the word or phrase you want to find in the find box, then type the replacement text in the replace with box. Then use find to jump through occurrences and click replace to change the current one. If you want to swap every match at once, click replace all. After that, toggle match case if you need the search to respect capitalization. For more precise searches, use the 3-dot menu for extra options if available. Finally, review a few replacements manually to make sure formatting and context are correct. Then close the panel when you are done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.